Okay, on to the overviews of this Volt SD-1. So, yeah. First, let's talk about the type of darts it uses, how it shoots, and probably that's about it, but I might talk about other stuff. But anyways, this thing uses Elite 2.0 darts. There are two types of darts, the teal one and the orange one. Oh wow, these things will fly everywhere. Okay, but anyways, speaking about the Volt, let me go grab that dart. This is a single shot blaster with a laser, kind of like a jolt. Yeah, a jolt, but it has two storage things and it has a laser. So yeah, this laser can be used for aiming to make sure the accuracy is well good, like that. Just look. Or it can also be used for searching in low light situations. Like, well, probably, let's say you're playing like in low light, maybe like night ambush or something, you and your friends. And then you brought this. And yeah, it's actually pretty chunky for a pistol, but the laser is worth it. And yeah, this thing does require two AAA batteries to operate, and like you have to stab this little hole in, and while you're stabbing it in, you push this out like that. Usually, most preferably with a pen, but you can use a screwdriver or something else as long as it's pointy, but not like this. Yeah, that won't work. Cause yeah, it actually does take kind of force. Yeah, and you actually prime it like this. I don't know how you can one finger prime it, or you can also two finger prime it, or like you can just do this. And yeah, it is friendly, so like you can just to tell you, this thing also has an iron sight, which is also used for aiming in case your battery dies. Firing test! Firing Nerf Elite 2.0 darts included with the package. Firings came as expected. Well, I didn't experience any gems or malfunctions. Like, what do you mean? It's a single shot blaster, you know. And yeah, there are no barrel extensions on this if you're asking. I forgot to cover that. And the laser actually makes it pretty cool. It also serves, other than like an aiming or searching factor, it also serves as like an intimidating factor. Maybe if you're like doing like maybe if you're like hoarding, nah, not really hoarding. Maybe if you are just trying to kill zombies in HVZ, maybe, then this can be an intimidating factor. But well, I know, what Kiram? You're asking. Everybody will ask that right now. What Kiram? You haven't told us the FPS range of this thing. Well, the average FPS range is like, which is 70 FPS, which is smack dab on the elite par. The elite par is 70 FPS, so it's perfect. Yeah, the FPS range is totally perfect of the 70 FPS elite shooting range. Well, my conclusion is that this blaster is, well, quite good, but it already has quite a lot of reskins, like the Night Finder, and yeah, like maybe the Night Finder and the Fire Strike. Yeah, so it has quite a lot of reskins, which are both reskins of these two right here, come from the original of them is the Jolt. And yeah, now we have the Volt. And it's a reskin of a Fire Strike. Or a Night Finder. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. White Kiram, signing out.